Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
What's going on, beautiful people? Mike back again, yet with another detailing video. On this channel, that's all we do is interior, exterior detailing, how to use product, and how to use equipment in detailing. If things like that entertain you, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and let's see how we do this.
Let's begin now.
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
Is that all you got?
Let's begin now.
The one thing I like to do is to show you the bucket. Once I get all my tools out, my Will Woolies, which I have two of them in here, the detail brush, the stiff brush, the soft bristle brush. Then I'm going to show you here this bucket. You can actually see the brownness. Yeah, that's nasty. So I just attached my foam blaster to my quick release nozzle just right after I filled up my solution bottle with some fresh water and about 2 ounces of my VO7 car wash shampoo. I choose this setup because it covers the car with soapy foam that lubricates the stuck surface on dirt from the surfaces, and then I proceed with my 2-bucket method, and I spray the foam directly onto the wash mitt every time I wipe with maximum lubrication, then rinse and dry. The worst part of every detail is arriving at your next destination with the dry water spots, trails dripping from every cracks and crevices. With this blaster sidekick, every detailer can easily push standing water from hard to reach nooks and crannies after every car wash, and even blow out dust, dirt, debris from underneath seats, vents, dashes, cubbies, compartments, and cup holders. Trim pieces made from vinyl, rubber, and plastic are sensitive to fading and staining caused by exposures to harmful UV rays, water, and sources of contamination and pollution. I use VRP, which creates the perfect new appearance on interior and exterior surfaces, not a greasy, wet look. Specialty UV blockers act like sunscreen for plastic pieces, repelling harmful solar rays that bleach, fade, and crack sensitive car parts. Okay, so I choose Fabric Clean, which is a detergent-free, low moisture, and finishes with a soft feel of clean fabric. The Fabric Clean comes with a blended with the company's patent odor elimination enzymes. This product actively destroys odors, causing microbes and elimination foul odor at the source. This car did need it because it did smell like someone smoked in the vehicle. Any questions about the equipment I use, chemicals I use, links are in the description below. Though you couldn't really tell, but there was like a little residue on the plastic trims of the doors. So I pulled the steamer out, the little APC and steam, knocked it all out pretty good. The one thing you cannot forget in an automatic transmission is the lever itself. Make sure you move it all the way down and then move it all the way back up as you clean all the way. Now as I go the rest of the way through the vehicle, I'm going to use the Aerospace 303, which is the ultimate best UV protection for interior surfaces. I wipe this on there and do all my windows. Since she was complaining about windows being the dirtiest thing in here, I did crack them down, as you will soon see, and cleaned up the top of the windows, 303, all the plastic, made it look all nice for her. Now with the AC on full blast and circulating, I use this new car scent, which isn't just an air freshener. It's engineered with active odor eliminators and neutralizes and rapidly subdues undesired smells right at the sources. All right, now the ending here, which wasn't much to this car. This was a pretty quick one. Only took about 2 hours. You know, the best part of this is the wife wanted me to work on the exterior, and the husband wanted me to work on that interior. So I just compromised with them and did a little bit of both of everything. But if you like what you see in this video and you want to see more videos like this, consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll post up a link of 2 other videos for you to check out here. Thank you.